Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately. Check the camera counter and be sure the roll is complete. Half-processed film risks light leaks and lost frames. Once done, choose your path: professional lab for convenience and consistent color, or DIY if you want control and learning. If DIY, put everything near the dark bag, including scissors and a clean film tank. Make sure to note film type. Color C41 and black and white need different chemistry, so you can pick the correct kit next. Once the camera is inside the dark bag, open the back and extract the film canister to avoid any light hitting emulsion. You then spool the film onto the spiral reel and place it in the development tank. This allows daylight processing. Mix developer, stop bath, and fixer to manufacture concentration and temperature. Precise timing matters for consistent color and grain. Agitate according to instructions to prevent uneven development. When finished, wash the negatives thoroughly to remove residual chemicals and prevent deterioration. After washing, hang the negatives with clips in a clean, dust-free room and let them dry completely, usually a few hours. Once dry, scan with a dedicated film scanner or use a flatbed with a film adapter. Scan at high resolution to preserve detail, then invert and color correct in software. Make prints or export digital files for sharing. If you find fogging, severe color shift, or missing frames, check the camera's light seals or film expiry. As a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.